Welcome to my channel, Nutrition Station. Today, I will tell you about benefits of moringa powder. Moringa powder, derived from the Moringa oleifera tree, offers a variety of health benefits, rich in nutrients. Moringa powder is packed with proteins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, and flavonoids, making it a nutrient-dense food supplement antioxidant properties. It can increase blood antioxidant levels, helping protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Blood sugar regulation. Moringa may help lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for managing diabetes and preventing high blood sugar-related complications. Anti-inflammatory. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa help reduce inflammation and pain, which can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis, supports respiratory health. Moringa is used for managing asthma and other respiratory conditions due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Benefits for skin protection and hydration. A good skincare routine can improve skin hydration, ensuring a healthy and glowing complexion. Firmness and texture. Effective skincare can restore firmness and even out skin texture, contributing to a smoother and more youthful appearance. Collagen production. Ingredients like collagen and vitamin C promote collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Anti-aging. Vitamin C is a powerful anti-aging ingredient that can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and protect against sun damage. Protection from environmental damage. A proper skincare regimen protects the skin from environmental stressors, such as sun damage, pollution, and temperature changes. How to use moringa. Moringa can be used in various forms, including powder, leaves, seeds, and oil, each with specific applications and benefits. Dosage: take 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of moringa powder. Consumption: mix the powder with honey or water and consume it with lunch and dinner. This can help manage symptoms of arthritis and provide overall health benefits. Benefits: moringa powder is rich in antioxidants and can help decrease oxidative stress on the heart. Moringa leaves. Usage: moringa leaves can be used as an antiseptic to fight bacterial infections and aid in wound healing. Consumption: the leaves can be eaten raw in salads, cooked like spinach, or dried and used to make tea. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you for watching.